Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you replace your dome light and or the map light. So this map light here and here, you can have it set to turn on when the doors open, or to be on all the time, or just turn off. But if it goes bad, what you got to do is you take a screwdriver and you just got to pop this down and out. Pull that out, then you just pull the light bulb out to remove it. This is the dome light. And this light bulb is a 3175. Then you get a new one. You just press it in, double check that it works, and then you just take this cover. It's got little marks here, or these little marks here, that you're going to want to put it in first, and then put these around the clip there and lock it into place. And that's how you replace the map light or the front domes, and then we'll go over how you replace the back one here. So here we have the dome light on the back, and so what we need to do again with our small screwdriver, just pop the cover off, and then and then this is the dome light that has been removed. And we get a new one, you put it back in. This dome light is the 3175. And just press it back in. You can double check that it works. And then take this, put the front two tabs in, snap it all back up into place, and that's how you replace your dome lights and your map light in your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.